Good morning, students. Let us see listening and speaking skills of Unit 5. Gulliver in Lilliput. Gulliver was a doctor on a ship. Gulliver, he was a man, he was a doctor on a ship. He was an Englishman. Here he means Gulliver. Gulliver was an Englishman. There was a bad storm and the ship hit a rock and broke into two pieces. It was night time. However, Gulliver swam. So here swam means swim. He swam to forward and at last reached an island. Why he swam? Because there was a heavy storm and all the people in the ship. Gulliver was a doctor in the ship. The ship was due to storm. The ship hit the rock and the ship was broke into two pieces. Gulliver fall into sea and he swam and he reached a island called Lilliput. The people were called Lilliputians. Here Lilliputians means the people who live in this place Lilliput are called as Lilliputians. We are living in India, so we called as Indians. The people live in America, they are called as Americans. Like that, the people live in this Lilliput are called as Lilliputians. Gulliver was too tired. He could not open his eyes. He was too tired, so he could not open his eyes. He soon went to sleep. He slept. Next morning, when he woke up, he could not move. He was held down by some ropes. Gulliver was tired and he slept. Next morning, he saw that he was tied with some ropes. He could not move. His hair, his long hair, the hair was also pinned to the ground. Then something climbed onto his leg and came up to his chin. It was a little man, about 15 centimeters high. He carried a bow and an arrow in his hand. When Gulliver was seeing something, a little man of 15 centimeters climbed his leg and came up to chin. That little man was carrying a bow and an arrow in his hand. The 40 more little people climbed onto Gulliver's body. He was very surprised and gave a loud shout. Not one man, the 40 little men climbed onto Gulliver's body. Gulliver was shocked and surprised. After seeing this, Gulliver was scared and gave a loud shout. He shouted. Immediately, all the little men ran away. They also too scared and they also ran away. But they came back very soon. At first, the ropes were too strong. The ropes which the little men tied to the Gulliver's body were so strong. After a little struggle, somehow, after a long struggle, Gulliver broke some of them. He broke some of the ropes and he is able to move his one arm. When they saw that Gulliver was breaking all the ropes, the little people shouted and started shooting the little arrows into him. But the arrows did not hurt Gulliver very much. Here arrows did not hurt Gulliver very much because the arrows were very, very small. They were like little pins. Gulliver lay still. He did not move. After some time, the little people stopped shooting arrows at him. Gulliver asked for some food. Over 100 people brought baskets full of meat and loaves of bread. Gulliver ate them and fell asleep. The little men took Gulliver to their king. These Lilliputians took this Gulliver to their king. The king liked Gulliver very much. He told his officers to take Gulliver to the biggest building in the land. No house was big because this people are very small Gulliver to live in, but he was able to creep inside the building and lie down. The beds were too small for Gulliver, so they took hundreds of beds and joined them together. Gulliver lived among the little people for some time. He wanted to go home. Fortunately, one day, Gulliver found a boat floating near the seashore. When Gulliver came out of island, he saw a boat which was floating on the sea, and he went to the boat and he went across the sea, and he found a big ship and took him back to England. Thank you.